வணக்கம், வெல்கம் டு இன்ஸ்பயர் அகாடமி. இன்னைக்கு வீடியோவில் என்ன பார்க்க போறோம் அப்படின்னா டிசம்பர் மந்தோட பார்ட் 1 கரண்ட் அஃபேர்ஸ் பார்க்க போறோம். ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன் இஸ் which metro service in India has completed 20 years of its operation. So it is Delhi Metro. Indian Railways launches Rail Post Gati Shakti Express Cargo Service along with which institution? So it is India Post. Surya Kiran is a joint training exercise conducted between India and which country? So it is conducted between India and Nepal. Nevada wildflower has been declared as endangered species in which country? So it is in United States of America. Vedantangal Bird Sanctuary is situated in which state or union territory? So it is situated in Tamil Nadu. Red Admiral belongs to which species? So it belongs to butterfly. When is the National Science Day celebrated? So it is celebrated February 28th every year. Salim Durrani, who was seen in the news, associated with which profession? So he is a sportsman. Which country announced a new semiconductor mega cluster with $230 billion in investment from Samsung Electronics? So it's South Korea. APJ Abdul Kalam satellite launch vehicle mission 2023 was launched from which state? So it's from Tamil Nadu. மேலும் விவரங்களுக்கு 9842297768 கால் பண்ணுங்க ஒரு inspireacadamii@gmail.com மெயில் ஐடியை காண்டாக்ட் பண்ணுங்க. ஸோ இந்த வீடியோவை ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சேனலுக்கு சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. தேங்க்யூ.